You've seen her before. Jane. She lives by herself and suffers from congestive heart failure. She comes into the emergency department a lot. Nurses tell her which medications to take. Doctors tell her which specialists to see. She gets confused, so she just goes home. Then she comes back, and the cycle continues. You might think that's just the way it is. The Illinois Rural Community Care Organization, ARECO, says no. ARECO is an accountable care organization, ACO. An ACO is a group of doctors, hospitals, and healthcare providers that work together to give patients high-quality, coordinated care, which is great for the patient. But what about you? Well, being an ARECO member means you can reduce the duplications of services, decrease unnecessary costs, and decrease repeated visits. We'll develop a care coordination program specifically for your patient population. That's what makes ARECO so unique. We understand what life is like in rural Illinois. We know your challenges. We know your patients. We understand everything that is so hard to explain to people living in the city. ARECO connects rural healthcare organizations to share resources and streamline care. So let's get back to Jane, ARECO style. Jane goes to see her primary care provider. It's important that she has one, and ARECO makes that possible. She's greeted by a nurse who knows all about her. Her doctor suggests Jane see a specialist for her congestive heart failure. Instead of going home confused and alone, Jane spends time with her care coordinator. She understands where she needs to go, when, and why. She's no longer overwhelmed. They don't see her in the emergency department anymore. Jane sees the specialist she needs. The information gets back to her doctor, so next time they meet, everyone is on the same page. ARECO is deeply invested in the rural communities of Illinois. It's all we do. Jane is just one example of how we aim to 1. Improve the health of the individual seeking care and services. 2. Improve the overall health of the rural population served. And 3. Reduce the individual healthcare beneficiary spend and overall healthcare costs. Joining ARECO means you're part of a dedicated team committed to quality, collaboration, excellence, and service. ARECO has you covered.